We're going to find out whether they're just going to fight it or whether it wasn't real and Bloomberg got it wrong.
It does kind of the AI thing where it
kind of makes some stuff up. Let's say that kind of an emergency came up, you know, like you need some cough medicine on this trip. So let's do this. Let's long press. Hey Grok, on this wonderful journey that we're doing, I feel like I need some cough medicine, so could you find me like a CVS or a Walgreens? Can you add that to our trip?
Which one?
Want to learn more? Click here to go to the main show.